Your vehicle has a capless fuel filler that helps save time at the pump and keeps your hands cleaner. There is no cap to twist off, and it's easy to use. Open your fuel door by pushing it in a bit until it releases, and then opening it the rest of the way. Insert the pump nozzle all the way, making sure it goes through both flaps. Fill up, then wait 5 seconds before removing the nozzle. And close your fuel door. If you're using a portable fuel container, you'll need to use the easy fuel funnel provided with your vehicle to avoid damaging the seals on the spring-loaded flaps. Oh, and one more thing. To help protect against fuel theft, splashing, or water getting in the tank, the capless fuel filler is tamper-resistant, and the self-closing, spring-loaded flaps help keep fuel from sloshing out and water from leaking in when it rains or when you wash your vehicle. Any questions? Go to Ford.com/support.